Got Mir Farid joining us from Srinagar. How is Srinagar responding to this performance, Farid?
It's a big day for the state of Jammu and Kashmir because you have to understand that this is a place which is in news 99 out of 100 times for all the wrong reasons, and today they have got a moment to really savor and celebrate. I have with me some young people, budding cricketers, footballers even, and some first-class players as well. I'll first go to people. In fact, I have with me a first-class cricketer who was with the team not a long way back. कैसा फील कर रहे हैं आप? कितनी बड़ी और प्राउड मोमेंट है, आप क्रिकेट खेलते हैं इस टीम के साथ, कितनी बड़ी अचीवमेंट है?
बहुत बड़ी अचीवमेंट है और ये आज का नहीं है, ये पिछले साल से हम करते आ रहे हैं। परवेज ने ड्रेसिंग रूम का माहौल चेंज किया और बहुत क्रेडिट उनको जाता है अलॉन्ग विद द मैनेजमेंट। और इंशाल्लाह ये वन ऑफ मैच था, इसको अब ये नहीं है कि इस मोमेंटम को कैरी फॉरवर्ड करना है और इंशाल्लाह हमें पिछले साल जो हमने परफॉर्म किया है उससे मतलब ज़्यादा अच्छा करना पड़ेगा इस बारी।
राइट, आप मुबशर अंडर 19 के भी यहाँ कोच हैं, कितना बड़ा इन्फ्लुएंस होगी ये विक्ट्री? बिकॉज ये विक्ट्री J&K के लिए ऐसी है जैसे कि इंडिया बीटिंग वेस्ट इंडीज इन 1983 विच ऑफ कोर्स रेवोल्यूशनाइज क्रिकेट। आप बताएं कितने बड़ी मोमेंट होगी इन यंगस्टर्स के लिए ये?
Indeed, it's a great moment. I mean, the Parvez has been a big turnaround, but it's heartening to see that the youngsters like Shubham, Umar, and the seniors like Samuullah, Ramdayal, everybody, even Hardeep, Bandeep, Ian. I mean, all the names, all the players who are with the team as of now. I mean, everybody is doing his bit. I mean, it's a great day for the cricket of J&K.
Right. आप बताएं, you are budding cricketer, जरूर आप इसी टीम की तरह खेलना चाहते होंगे। कितना बड़ा लगता है आपको ये मुंबई को डिफीट करना? 40 टाइम चैंपियंस हैं और अपने बैकयार्ड में कितनी बड़ी एक इन्फ्लुएंस और इंस्पिरेशन आपके लिए?
ये बहुत बड़ी बात है कि हमारे कश्मीर में जो फुटबॉल का माहौल है बहुत बड़ी है। कोच बाहर से आ रहे हैं, ए लाइसेंस कर रहे हैं, इससे हमारे जो कश्मीर का फुटबॉल है वो हाई हो रहा है, उसकी लेवल बढ़ रही है।
जी, आप बताएं, आप क्रिकेटर भी लगते हैं, ये फुटबॉलर थे, आपके लिए कितनी बड़ी बात है?
बहुत अच्छी बात है हमारे कश्मीर के लिए, क्योंकि इससे एक्सपोजर बहुत मिलेगा हमारे कश्मीर को, क्रिकेट प्लेयर्स को।
Mir Farid, I'll come back to you in a bit.
के लिए, परवेज के लिए।
बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर भाई।
Right. So Anand, there you are. People really happy. Budding cricketers, they'll get inspiration from this, and of course,
it is a special moment. Farid, it is a special moment. Just that we don't have too much of time, so I want to get our cricketers also chatting. We've not spoken to Hardeep Singh yet. We've not spoken to manager Bakshi, and of course the coach Sunil Joshi yet. But Hardeep, I want to come across to you. Umar, आप जरा अगर हरदीप को माइक पकड़ा दें, तो मैं हरदीप से बात करना चाहूँगा। हरदीप, 41 not out. That was a crucial innings. You did your job. You've done your bit with the team, and you look like one of the senior members of the team who's also mentoring some of the youngsters. Take us through the experience of coming through and working through all the limitations that you have faced as a state.
Yeah, definitely it's a big moment for us being a senior pro. So I have to complete the remaining score. So I play, I spend time, so I remain silent and remain focused for this inning, and thanks to the guys, they all contributed very well. So the credit goes to team, and that's it. I would like to say something ki J&K, this all goes to J&K. That's it.
Truly it does. Tell me something, when the boy sitting next to you got cotton bowled at 78, what were you thinking? Did you think that you will still win the game?
Yeah, obviously we are having very good, actually the middle order and the tail also, and we are having Shamila Beg, Obaid, we are having good middle order batsmen, and the wicket is playing the same as it play first day, so we are a bit confident about that we will chase the target without any difficulty. But
Great,
it's
Hardeep.
all about controlling nerves.
You have fantastic maturity that you're showing, and let's hope that you, along with Parvez Rasool and Sunil Joshi, can mentor this team to do much better in the Ranji season. Season's only begun. Before I go across to Sunil Joshi, and we also speak to manager Bakshi, just quickly going across to Pradeep Datta. Fans in Jammu want to ask you guys a few questions and share their thoughts with you. So, yes, Pradeep.
See, everybody here has been celebrating, as I said earlier, that if you look at this generation for the last 25 years, they have seen only guns and grenades. So we must need to congratulate this team because they have made a history. And see, you can see all these youngsters, they are carrying the posters of Shubham, they're carrying the posters of Parvez Rasool. Earlier it used to be Tendulkar, Rahul Dravid. Now see, the things have changed. They're inspired by these young cricketers. Let's ask to Ryan how you're feeling, how you're seeing the victory of the J&K team.
It's a very, very proud moment for all of us.
us, and we must congratulate our team and JKC for this, because they have done hard work on purpose. See, how you think that this is going to inspire the youngsters in the coming days?
It's a big inspiration, and let me make it clear that it's the hard work of the cricketers of Jammu and Kashmir. We've had a fortunate season last year. We qualified for the quarterfinals of the Ranji Trophy, all because of the hard work of the boys. This year we had a wonderful one-day series. We beat Delhi, Haryana, Services, and now with the grace of God and Almighty, we have defeated Mumbai in Mumbai. So good days and better days for cricket.
Let's hope so.
Here is a young cricket fan for the last 1 year. He is with us. कोई शुभम भैया के लिए कुछ कहना चाहोगे?
शुभम भी एक बड़े अच्छे क्रिकेटर बन सकते हैं।
आप उनको कोई और कुछ कांग्रेचुलेट करना चाहोगे टाइम्स नाउ की तरफ से? हाँ, आप में से कोई शुभम के लिए कोई मैसेज आपके यहाँ जम्मू से है?
कि आप अच्छा खेलें और जेएनके का नाम रोशन करें।
Well, that's the hope, sir.
Really
Pradeep, I'm going to take it away from you and go across to Sunil Joshi and manager Bakshi. Quick word with them. Coach, take us through the preparations. Did you ever think that this would happen? That seems to be the manager Bakshi. Manager Bakshi sahab, thanks for talking to us. Sunil, I'll come across to you after I have a chat with him. कैसा लग रहा है आपको कि आपको कभी लगा कि आपकी सीजन की शुरुआत ऐसे होगी, इस तरह से होगी?
हाँ सर, ऐसा लगता था क्योंकि लास्ट ईयर हमने क्वालिफाई किया था रणजी ट्रॉफी में, तो लड़के पिछले 2-3 साल से काफी अच्छा कर रहे हैं, तो इनका मोराल बहुत ऊंचा था इस समय। हमें लगता था कि हम ऐसा करेंगे,
पर जो फ्लड्स हुए थे उसकी वजह से आपकी प्रिपरेशंस को काफी धक्का लगा। कैसे किया आप लोगों ने प्रिपेयर, कहां जाके आपने तैयारी की?
हाँ सर, फ्लड की वजह से काफी परेशानी आई, तो ये टीम को यहाँ चंडीगढ़ वगैरह में भेजा गया, तो थोड़ा बहुत जम्मू में भी हुआ, लेकिन वहां भी इतना नहीं हो सका, तो टीम जो है चंडीगढ़ में प्रैक्टिस किया है, तो जितना कम समय में जितना ज्यादा हो सकता है उतना किया।
ये लड़के बहुत मेहनत करते हैं, हमें पता लगा है कि कोई तो 50-50 किलोमीटर दूर जाते हैं ग्राउंड तक खेलने के लिए रोजमर्रा में, और जब ये फ्लड्स हुए, ऐसी सिचुएशन हुई, तो और दिक्कत हुई होगी।
बहुत क्रिटिकल कंडीशन में इन्होंने तैयारी किया है इस साल, और इनको शाबाश देनी चाहिए। इसमें ज्यादा मैं कहूंगा कि ज्यादा रोल बच्चों का भी है। सुनील जोशी अभी जो हमारे नए कोच आए हैं, उनका भी काफी कंट्रीब्यूशन है। ये यंग कोच, तो काफी उनकी कंट्रीब्यूशन है।
चलिए कोच साहब से बात करते हैं। आप सुनील जोशी जी को माइक पकड़ा दे तो मैं उनसे भी जरा बात करूं। Sunil, you've been patiently listening to all the players, and I'm sure you can hear my voice. Just as the mic comes across to you, take us through how you feel. Did you feel on day one that this victory was possible? Did you feel at 58-1 on the eve of the penultimate day that this victory was possible?
I think, Anand, first of all, I would join along with the players who have dedicated this victory to the flood victims of Srinagar, and definitely it's a great pride and a great day for Jammu and Kashmir cricket. And I would like to give credit to the team, which has really done well in spite of all these things, and with the support of J&K administration as well. And looking at Mumbai, when we reached in Mumbai, I just casually said to them, I said, guys, we can do definitely things better now. I mean, we can create some noise by beating Mumbai in Mumbai. And I don't know by what word I did mention it to them, and they've really done it. And I'm really thrilled and honored to be part of this great victory today.
But you know what you have done, coach and captain together? You have upped the expectation levels. One victory is not enough. So how far are you going to go in Ranji 2015? Let the coach and captain make a promise to the people of Jammu and Kashmir.
I think, Anand, it's at this point of time, I think, one game at a time we look at coach and captain. So hopefully, we have a players, we have a great talent in form of Shubham. We have a senior pro Hardeep, we have a senior pro Samiullah, we have a senior pro Ubaid. We have a young talent, Umar Nazir. Ram Dayal is a great, all-rounder to the team. I think it's a mixture of youth and experience, right combination of youth and experience. And definitely, I'm very happy to be part of this team.
Well, we wish you all the very best from Srinagar, from Jammu, from all over India. Congratulations to this team. Sunil Joshi, Parvez Rasool, Hardeep Singh, Umar Nazir, Shubham Khajuria, the manager Bakshi, the team. Thanks for joining us here on Times Now. Pooja Shelly, Meet Farid and Pradeep. Thank you very much for your inputs.
Anand, I would like to thank all the people who are supporting us across Jammu and Kashmir, and thanks their wishes and blessings.
Boys, you continue to do well. Your support base will only grow. Like I said, coach and captain and team have upped the expectation levels, and you have to live up to those expectations. Better days ahead. Congratulations. Thank you so much for talking to us.